nice to be riding my bike just for the hell of it. But in the back of my mind I'm thinking training, 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 training. So I got my little picnic. Up there's one of those organised national cycle trails along X-Railway. So nice and flat, bit of gradient, but just nice for a warm-up. Ride along there for a few miles. I think it's about 9 miles. And have a picnic at the other end. Which at the moment, it's nice and sunny here, but the weather's looking pretty moody up there. But hey ho, I can't do this with one hand. So I've made it up the hill, up onto the relatively flat bit, and you come out onto here, which should be relatively easy, and it's just absolute headwind. And something I would say to anyone starting out cycling, I find the first few miles, your body needs to warm up, and you can kind of feel like you think you're really unfit or you're not that able to do a much longer ride. But actually, if you just push on through that, you'll find you come out the other side, you're perfectly able, you're fitter than you thought. You actually just needed to get going. Top tip for today. Pasty. Holy headwinds. This is quite a trial today. Man. See, now you look at things like this and you think, ooh, if I get my bike down there. Eagle eye. I pull up by this tree and I spot something. I think it's litter inside the tree, but look what I found. Back in the tree you go. Wonder where that goes. So we're just sat under a tree having a little picnic. I got quite wet before I stopped. And under these trees was the only dry spot. But now I'm really cold. I'm watching this lad go up and down on his bike. There must be something wrong with it. He's got squeaky brakes. Right, better get on with it. So we made it to the end, and now it's time to go back.